When you search for the best four-piece sofa slipcovers, everything looks the exact same. Same styles, same features, same claims. But to find what truly protects your furniture and enhances your living space, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, HVRSILTX Velvet Slipcover. First up is the HVRSILTX 4 pieces thick velvet sofa cover, priced at $32.99. What caught my eye was its luxurious velvet plush fabric and the impressive 4.5-star rating from over 40,500 reviews. If you want a stylish and protective slipcover for your sofa, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This slipcover fits sofas with a sitting width between 72 and 90 inches, making it a great fit for many couches. Its non-slip design, thanks to thick elastic loops, ensures that it stays put even if you have kids or pets jumping around. Plus, it's machine washable, so you can keep it looking fresh without much hassle. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward, and the effort is worth it for the quality and look you get. This is perfect for you if you have a larger sofa that needs a touch of luxury and protection. Skip this one if your sofa is smaller than 72 inches or you prefer a simpler fabric. Alright, if the price of the HVRSILTX slipcover was a concern for you, the next option is equally stylish, but comes at a more budget-friendly price. Product number 2, Haiha Floral Slipcover. Next up is the Haiha couch cover with a beautiful floral pattern, also at $32.99. What's intriguing is its high 4.6-star rating from 7,400 reviews. If you want something that adds a pop of color while protecting your sofa, this is a fantastic choice. The polyester spandex fabric not only feels great, but is also easy to install. The non-slip design with elastic straps means you won't be adjusting it constantly. Plus, it transforms an old couch into a stunning centerpiece. On the downside, some users mentioned that the floral pattern might not blend well with all home styles. But honestly, if you're looking to brighten up your space, this vibrant design could be the perfect fit. This is perfect for you if you love floral designs and want to refresh your living room look. Skip this if you're going for a more neutral or minimalist style. Now, if the floral design isn't your thing, the next slipcover takes a more modern approach, perfect for sleek interiors. Product number 3, XINEAGE Stretch Slipcover. Moving on, we have the XINEAGE 4 pieces couch covers priced at $25.99. This one caught my attention because of its unique jacquard pattern and its affordability, boasting a solid 4.4-star rating from 2,200 reviews. If you want a lovely, textured look without breaking the bank, this might be what you're after. The stretchy fabric is made from 85% polyester and 15% spandex, allowing it to fit a variety of couch styles, including tea cushions and box cushions. It offers full coverage from stains and pet hair, which is crucial for those with furry friends. Plus, it's machine washable, just toss it in for a quick refresh. However, a few buyers mentioned that the color isn't as vibrant as expected. Here's my take. While it may not pop, the subtler tone can complement many decor styles beautifully. This is perfect for you if you want an elegant look while being budget conscious. Skip this if you desire bold colors or intricate designs. Now, if you're looking for something that offers thickness and a plush feel, stick around because the next one might just hit the mark. Product number 4, WERRW Velvet Slipcover. Next, we have the WERRW 4 pieces velvet high stretch couch cover, available for $28.40. The soft plush fabric and its 4.3-star rating with 5,500 reviews really drew me in. If you're after softness and comfort while protecting your sofa, this is a strong contender. The non-slip elastic bottom keeps it in place, which is essential if you're constantly getting up and down. And yes, it's machine washable for easy maintenance, so you don't have to worry about spills. Some users did find it a little challenging to find the right size. But honestly, as long as you measure your sofa correctly, this cover provides excellent protection and a luxurious feel. This is perfect for you if you love soft fabrics and have a mid-size to large sofa. Skip this if you prefer a more breathable fabric or have a smaller sofa. Now, if you're after maximum protection without sacrificing comfort, the last product on our list might fit the bill perfectly. Product number 5, Easygoing Stretch Slipcover. Lastly, we have the Easygoing 4-pieces stretch soft couch cover priced at $26.99. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 26,100 reviews, it's clear that many people trust this option. If you're looking for a reliable slipcover that's easy to maintain, give this one a look. This cover is designed for sofas with separate cushions and fits widths between 60 and 85 inches, perfect for smaller to mid-sized couches. The fact that it's machine washable is a huge plus, especially for pet owners. One downside some users pointed out is that it may slip a bit if not adjusted properly. But honestly, once you tuck it in right, it stays put pretty well, providing a solid shield against spills and stains. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller sofa and need a budget-friendly, easy-to-maintain option. Skip this if you have a larger sofa or prefer a more luxurious fabric. So to wrap it up, we've explored 5 fantastic 4-piece sofa slipcovers. The luxurious HVRSILTEX, the vibrant Haiha Floral, the stylish XINEAG, the plush WERRW, and the budget-friendly Easygoing. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really depends on what fits your sofa and style best. No matter which you choose, you'll be making a smart investment in protecting and refreshing your living space.